Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Use Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Futurepay account. To sign up and get started for Futurepay, first of all open a web browser of your choice. Once you go ahead and do it, go to the search box at the top and type in futurepay.com. Doing this will take you to the official website for Futurepay. From the main homepage, go ahead and click on the Sign Up Now button on the left-hand side menu. To sign up for a new account, you will need to go ahead and fill in the form on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on the first text box and type in your first name, your last name, your work email address, the name of your company's website, select your industry type, average order value per year, yearly online revenue. Make sure to go ahead and fill all of the information and click on the sign up button and follow through the instructions till the end. If you are a consumer, you'll need to provide your personal email, name, phone number and create a password. For merchants, you'll need to provide business details, including your business name, address, contact information and possibly some financial information about your business. Once you click the sign up button, you'll be taken to the next step where you need to complete your verification, agree to terms and conditions of Futurepay, and after filling out the necessary information, you can submit your application. Futurepay will review your application for consumer, which may include a credit check. So once approved, you can log into your Futurepay account and start using their services. So that is how you will be able to sign up for Futurepay in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.